For today, I like two stocks, both positive. Axis Bank looks good to me. Structurally positive, consolidation has happened and it is closed firm. Axis Bank can climb to levels closer to 1240, 1250 zones in a day or two. Stop below 1175. The second stock that I like is a mainline stock, Reliance. It's seen an up move, has seen some kind of a dip and traded sideways. Yesterday's move and day for yesterday's move is encouraging. And Reliance can climb to levels closer to 875, 880 zone in a day or two. Stop below 850. So Reliance also is good. On the futures front, today I would like to trade Nifty futures. I would say that as long as 6215 on Nifty holds, Nifty futures, the uptrend is still intact. On the upside, we could see targets closer to 6,300 on Nifty futures.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Axis Bank in the cash segment at 1,195 levels. I would hold these long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 1,184 levels and expect to book profits at 1,208 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in BPCL at 347 levels in the cash segment. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 344, expecting to book profits at 353 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the future space, I would want to buy Petronet LND December futures at 134 levels, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 132 and expecting to book profits at 138 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Well, I have a positive bias for the infrastructure sector, so I'm picking up two stocks from this today. So the first stock, my first pick for the day is Thermax. It's closed at 683. I think I will keep a stop loss of 665 for this. If I want to trade for the short term, I think 705 is what I'm looking at. If I can play the swing, then I'd probably look at 735 to 740 as my target. The stop loss being 665. As I said, one of my other picks would also be from the infrastructure sector. So Larsen, which is closed at about 1,054. It's moved up smartly over the last 1 month, but even now there is scope. So I think 1028 should be the stop loss. If I'm playing for the 1 day or 1.5 sessions, I think 1106 is where I'm looking it at. Couple of sessions, but I think if I were to hold this is giving a very major breakout for about 1385. So I would use this opportunity to play a longer trade for about 1385, but a medium term or rather a swing trade of 1106 is also payable on this.
Well, Nifty for the day needs to stay above 6205, resistance at 6220 and 6239, support at 6186 and 6171. At this point, I would like to remind that 6180 is your key figure to watch. Anything below that and the market starts weakening. BTST from yesterday, Jubilant Food was a buy with a stop of 1310, target of 1375. McLeod Russell was a buy with a stop of 284, target of 306. Tata Motor DVR was a sell with a stop of 2. Fresh calls. Titan is a sell with a stop of 230, target of 215. Tata Global Beverage is a sell with a stop of 157, target of 151, target of 137. Hindustan Zinc is a sell with a stop of 128, target of 116. CESC is a buy with a stop of 390, target of 415. GAIL is a buy with a stop of 337, target of 354. And SAT TV is a buy with a stop of 375, target of 410.
A buy in McLeod Russell, stop loss 291, target 313. A buy in Sun TV, stop loss 381, target 396. A buy in Century Textiles, stop loss 273, target 297. A buy in Supreme Industries, stop loss 410, target 435. And a sell in Hind Unilever, stop loss 584, target 568.
I have a buy on CESC. It was a recommendation sometime yesterday as well. Had a very strong closing and I think has generated a strong buy signal. Now can be bought with a stop at 385 for targets of 415. Coal India is a sell with a stop at 276 for targets of around 257. Gas Authority is a buy with a stop at 336 and here I would look for price targets of 355. LIC Housing Finance is a sell with a stop at 210. Look for targets of around 198. And I've got a sell on Titan Industries, which can be sold with a stop just about 230 half. And here I would look for targets of around 212.